Just look at some of the stuff here. We had it running, but I missed it because I was upstairs videoing.
Thank you.
This is a retirement job. I spent 35 years building characters.
Interesting place to come to. Now we'll go over there and look at all the gears, all the wooden gears.
Right now we're
Quite ways down there too. I guess these are how you turn the different ones or engage the different spokes for the different wheels. This must have been, we were up there, those were the wheels, so they came down, I guess, through these troughs here and dropped into your different bags that you'd put there.
No, just the way it worked out. Yeah.
The grain would come down the chutes here.
Yes.
These would engage the different
Here,
stones
since you missed
upstairs.
it, I'll turn it on real quick for you.
Oh, look at this. This is great. Now watch, let me show them, turn it on. Now look at this. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, here it is coming down. Remember we showed the corn upstairs? This is it coming down. Look at it. It does it faster than I thought. That's really fast. Look at all the gearing. All wooden spokes. And what's the wood is what? Ironwood on the spokes or a hard maple?
White oak.
White, that's white oak too?
Maple in the tops. It was French hornbeam, which is a type of
Okay.
ironwood.
Look at that. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? Is there a metal shaft inside the wood here?
No,
There's not.
just a metal gudgeon. Kind of looks like a much larger version of this
Okay.
on the barrel.
Yeah, that's beautiful. And to think they made this. I have a YouTube channel, and I was going to put it on YouTube. I hope you don't mind. People really love watching the sawmill run on YouTube, and this is neater to me than the sawmill. We'll walk outside and take a picture of the undershot.
Breast shot, not halfway down the wheel,
Okay, what's undershot then?
all the way at the bottom.
Oh, okay, okay.
So the undershot's the least efficient
Right,
of the water wheel. This is the second to the least efficient.
right, because you got to kind of change the direction of the water or something?
Well, you just need a greater fall
Mm-hmm.
to be able to get an overshot.
I have an original Fitz catalog from 1800s at home. I just thought it was interesting. God, that's beautiful. Look at the workmanship on this. And you say they redid this just recently?
This was in 1982. This was all put in.
That's recent when you're thinking 17 something.
Right. Yeah. And it's gotten, I think, recogged once.
What a job. That's absolutely gorgeous. There you go, people. This is a mill, and it's not a sawmill. Thank you very much for starting that back up for me. I really appreciate that. It's beautiful. I could sit there and watch that run all day long. I guess I got.
It's hypnotic.
It is. It really is. I'm gonna go out and take a picture of the wheel.
You have a great afternoon.
Thank you so much for letting us see this.
Yep.
Beautiful building. Here's the wheel. They got to redo all this wood. They're redoing all this year. Okay, I guess Woody was speaking on the wheel. The water comes in halfway, and undershot would come all the way down, and the overshot would come down and get it all the way over the top. All the way over the top. So that's the three different, I guess you'd have more pull if you start up here and came all the way down. Well, you'd have a 1/4 inch pull that way. I don't know that much about it. When he pulled that lever, this is the lever that he was pulling inside. Quite tall building. Even that's hypnotic. We'll go up and show you the, he turns the water off to this section. See all the holes in that right there? Where they come up with a bar and lever it in here to pull these two up to fill this with water, and then that's the other bar that they brought in to start it. This is the building. Alright, I better get her. I'll be late for lunch. We'll see you guys.